Hey, it's your friendly neighborhood health advisor. Welcome to my channel, Inspire. If you like the content, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Let's begin. 7 proven tips to stop snoring. Honey, please roll over. Sound familiar? If you snore, it probably does. If someone wakes you in the night and asks you to roll over, she may just be onto something. Here are some proven methods to stop snoring in your sleep. 1. Try sleeping on the side. Experts believe that individuals who sleep on their side instead of their back are less likely to snore. This is one of the best tips to stop snoring, and even better, it's free and works immediately. 2. Elevation may help. If you sleep on one pillow, try using 2 instead. By elevating your head, even a few inches, you may help to improve air passages and prevent snoring. 3. Diet and exercise. Did you know that obesity is one of the leading causes of snoring? If you are overweight, it may be time to consider a well-balanced diet and exercise regimen. Weight loss may also help to avoid future medical problems. 4. Let the sleep genie grant your wish. The Sleep Genie is an anti-snoring device that comfortably supports the wearer's jaw while keeping their mouth closed through the night. Its blend of nylon and lycra ensure its comfort, while its sleek design does not hinder the ability to sleep. 5. Tissue anyone? Do you sneeze often? Are you always congested? Have you been diagnosed with allergies? This could have a big impact on your snoring habits. Snoring is often a result of airways becoming blocked, which is even more common among allergy sufferers. To stop snoring, removing allergens from your home is the best solution. 6. Just breathe. If you have allergies, sinus infections, a cold, or the flu, try running hot water in the sink. Inhale the steam from the running water, and you may find that your nasal passages open up and improve your breathing. This will help you to have a better night's sleep. 7. Get rid of bad habits. If you smoke cigarettes or drink alcohol, your snoring may be directly linked. These factors are leading causes of snoring, so if they are a part of your life, there is no better time to stop. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it inspiring. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I also encourage you to share this video with your friends and family who might find it helpful. And if you have any queries or comments, please leave them in the comments section. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching. Ciao.